Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You'll begin by verifying compatibility and network parity. First, make sure your Samsung TV supports screen mirroring or Smart View. Many 2015 and newer models do. Next, connect the TV and your phone or PC to the same Wi-Fi network. Same SSID and frequency avoids discovery issues. Then, open the TV settings, go to Connections, and enable screen mirroring or Miracast. Once done, leave the TV on the screen waiting for a device, so you can pair from your phone or computer. Now you'll initiate the connection from your device. On Android, pull down Quick Settings and tap Smart View or Cast, then pick the TV name. You may need to grant permissions. On Windows, press Win+K to open Connect, select the TV, and choose project options like Duplicate or Extend, depending on how you want the display. On iPhone, use AirPlay if the TV supports it, or open the Samsung Smart View app for legacy models. Make sure to accept any pairing prompt that appears on the TV to complete the handshake. You're almost finished. Confirm the duplicated screen looks right and tweak display settings on your device for resolution or orientation. If you experience lag or stutter, make sure both devices use a less congested Wi-Fi band or connect the TV to Ethernet. Lowering resolution also helps. If the TV doesn't appear, restart the TV and device, check for firmware or OS updates, and retry discovery. One key troubleshooting tip: toggling the TV's screen mirroring off and on often clears discovery issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.